part of the Paris Climate Accords. Thank God Donald Trump got us out of it.
Tonight, 17 p.m. The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a flash flood warning for Central Charles City County, Southeastern King and Queen County, Southeastern County, Southwestern Dorset County and Southeastern Virginia, James City County and Southeastern Virginia, Northwestern York County and Southeastern Virginia until 12:15 a.m. At 9:17 p.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Between 2.5 and 5 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the Warren area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations will experience flash flooding. Williamsburg, Charles City, Gloucester Courthouse, Dillon, George, Barronville, Oldcliff, Blueville, Providence Forge, Adkins Store, Warrenville, Dioskin, Kings Corner, Kroger, Holly Forks, Lenexa, Centerville, Lightfoot, Mount Airy, and York River State Park. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Do not stay in areas subject to flooding when water begins rising. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Please report flooding by calling 757-899-2415.
Giving families across the country